Is your New Year's resolution for 2025 to build up to a bakery operation like you see in the background over here? Or maybe improve the one that you already have? Maybe you know somebody that's aiming for that in their life? Well, I would encourage you to check out what we put together last year that we're still investing into, and that's Million Dollar Baker. We have over 20 hours of recorded content, sharing experiences all the way from our origins in the garage up through today. And we're in the process of recording a new season right now. This content teaches you many of the inner secrets and inner workings, as well as shares our recipes from our core products. And now you can experience Million Dollar Baker at 15% off for this New Year's sale. So head to the website, milliondollarbaker.com, and check out this promotion while it lasts. Maybe share Million Dollar Baker for yourself or for a friend at this nice promotional rate. And I hope you can join our story here of building your own local community bakery based on the knowledge that we share here and your own experiences. Happy baking.